If you're looking to automate your sales follow-ups with a CRM, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, and by the end, you'll be able to set it and forget it. Stick around for an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using in this video, available only to my viewers. Sales follow-ups can be a huge time sink, especially when you're dealing with multiple leads and opportunities. The solution? Automating them with a CRM. You can save time, reduce errors, and ensure no lead ever falls through the cracks. So, how do you do it? It's simpler than you think. First, pick the right CRM. There are so many options out there, but the one we'll be using today is packed with powerful features that make automating follow-ups a breeze. This software allows you to set triggers, schedule emails, and even create follow-up sequences. If you want to follow along with the exact software I'm using, there's a link for an exclusive free trial in the description below. Once you've chosen your CRM, it's time to set up your follow-up sequence. Start by adding your leads into the CRM. You can do this manually or through an integration with your website or forms. Once your leads are in, you can create a sequence of follow-ups. This sequence can include automated emails, reminders for phone calls, and even tasks for your sales team. The beauty of this is that everything happens automatically, and you can customize the timing of your follow-ups based on your sales cycle. Now let's talk about triggers. A trigger is an action that sets off your automated follow-up sequence. For example, if a lead fills out a contact form on your website, that could be the trigger that sends them an initial welcome email. If they don't respond after a few days, that could trigger a second email or a reminder for you to call them.
Jeg had var always I forgot to høre på så her på penge sådan eller over der lad mig I fyre on det white bare det er det som det please hey du aber så ikke overvejet på vinden eller hvor at arbejde som man siger jo at der er siden at det sitter der skittet der jeg går der stund til hvis det bare har bredt at han siger at der ingen sted ant så fred am så satte jeg det ikke bare fandt det tager ikke chimmer det var det lidt det er det et sted op der han er det bare fanger sig at holdet has til den kan have skåret så den indsæt jeg har bare set det her helt bihan jeg har der kan de få han if all of unora I så hoppen forbi der var an der kur this is up and du har til sige is the season is en kan få det ingen der er der det samme på en has det må have for benden en der kan være helt ærlig og der for mig så altså på fast jeg ser han altså at på approche f det du at var be samu mere amatsu en aber på var så nan sin så har men simpelthen vi har så jo til bedre sådan at vi mig jeg tror på faktisk at drop about og det er virkelig jeg synes sådan at jo om det hænger rundt altså så hvad pas et for hvad was tandi ms tata på en start og dan jo har I sig der var til 8 man der her hørte så du til for Harley you lop og en pet blive der er selv det er det en is hvor jeg stær ved fort og har det sig det med næsen